The Miele CM5100 is a great machine that makes both espresso and drip coffee. To get started, fill the machine either with ground coffee or whole beans like I'm using today. And over here, you can adjust the grind from either fine to coarse. On this side, fill your water receptacle. I'm going to take my coffee mug from my warming rack and place it under the dispenser. The LCD display says select type of drink. This is the coffee icon. I'm going to press it once, but since I have such a large glass, I'm going to press it twice, and that will give me a double portion of coffee. Now that is a great cup of coffee. Now for an espresso. I'm going to place my espresso cup on the tray and I'm going to adjust the dispenser height. This will keep my espresso hot and provide a better quality crema. This is the icon for espresso. Hit it once for a single shot, twice for a double shot. You can hear the coffee beans being ground fresh every time. Ensures the best tasting cup. And look at this gorgeous double shot of espresso. To make a cappuccino, I've attached my milk frother. I'm going to place my mug underneath the frother wand and adjust this dial to the froth icon. Press this button on top for frothed milk, and I'll stop it when it reaches the appropriate level. The LCD display tells me that the machine is in its heating up phase. Here it goes. Gorgeous frothed milk. Now I'm going to slide that underneath my dispenser, and I'm going to add 2 shots of espresso. Now that is a cafe quality cappuccino. To clean your 5100, this tray slides out so you can empty any water that's collected and the coffee grounds. On this side, this panel opens so you can clean out the brew unit. Miele has tested the 5100 to deliver 50,000 cups of coffee, which is the equivalent of 20 years of use.